Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you an unboxing and review of the BaKon BK950D portable soldering station, which is ideal especially in electronics job because you'll need to melt the solder and solder components easily. So here is the product, the BK950D portable soldering station. So I got this from Lazada. It came from China and it cost me 1,856 pesos or $37. So now we're gonna unbox this one. So here it is. So right here we have the controller itself. It has two buttons and it has a main switch here at the back, and it also has a hole on its underneath, maybe for wall mounting. We have soldering the solder itself, but it has no tip yet, so its tip is removable. There's a very good connector to the main controller, very decent. We also have this freebie, a soldering sponge, so it helps you clean it. It also comes with this stand in which you will just need to turn it like that, raise it a little bit, and a bunch of different shapes of soldering tips for different soldering jobs. Okay, so let's set this aside. So this thing comes in right here, like that, and then this will come in handy doing like that. Now we're gonna test if this works properly. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to connect the solder to the main controller. So connector is this one, which will be plugged in right here. So don't you worry, this is a unique controller. In that case, you will not misconnect it. So plug it in like that. There is an arc right here. There's an arc, and this one also has an arc. Connect it like that, twist it, make sure it's nice and tight right there, and then now we're gonna plug it in. Okay, just have to make sure that nothing gets in our way. So turn it on like that. So there's the temperature in degrees Celsius. It's rising and it's fast. And it has 5 modes, I guess. Let's just wait for it. Okay, the maximum temperature is 450 degrees Celsius, and that is the mode 5. We can turn down the temperature by changing to mode 4, which goes 400 degrees. Its temperature is going down. So, and then we can turn down the temperature to mode 3, mode 2, mode 1, which is 250 degrees. So that's the minimum temperature of this solder, 250 degrees to Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. with an increment of 50 degrees Celsius each mode. So mode 1 is 250, so on and so forth until mode 5 to 450 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we're gonna test if it can really uh, melt this solder. So we're gonna go to the highest, which is mode 5, 450 degrees. We're gonna wait for it a little bit. It's rising. Okay, that's fast. So we're gonna test it now. The problem is the focus of my camera. Let's see. Okay, I think that's fine already. Okay, so it works perfectly fine. Let's see if we have some circuit here. Alright, I have one circuit right here. I'm gonna try this thing. Okay, you can see it's very hot. Then you will clean it using this solder sponge. But I suggest, because when I usually use this one, I wet this thing before I'm gonna wipe the solder to prevent damage with the soldering sponge, and you can use it for a little bit longer. Because if you will not wet it before using, just wet it with water. If you will not do that, uh, it get burns easily, like just like this one that burns easily. So I guess that's the review of this. Now, what do you call this? BaKon BK950D portable soldering station. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends. I'm gonna see you again in the next videos. Thank you.